How to publish the starting place in Roblox. So first you will need to open up Roblox Studio and then load into your experience by clicking on it right here and wait for it to be opened in the project. And now before you publish it, you can also do this from the website by going to roblox.com and sign into your account and then click on create, and from here go to creations, and then in here you should find your experiences. You can click on the three horizontal dots and then click on open, or like load it in the Roblox Studio. You can click on open in a new tab and then click on edit in Studio, and this should load the experience in the Roblox Studio as well. It's pretty much the same. And once you're in the experience, you want to click on file and then publish to Roblox, and then just wait for it to be published. And now you should go back to the Roblox Create website and then go to the dashboard, and under creations you should be able to see this experience. Click on the three horizontal dots and make sure it's public, and click on make public if you see the button right here instead of make private. And then to test the experience, click on view on Roblox, and it should open up the experience on Roblox, and as you can see it's published. Now if you click on the play button, it should load Roblox and connect you to the experience or the starting place. And as you can see right here, I'm connected to the starting place experience that I had. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next one.